Can you say tequila? Her ear. Her other ear.
No.
Her nose. Her ear. Where's her hair? Her hair. That's her ear. Where's her hair? There's her tail. Tail. Black tail.
Nice.
Pet. Nice. Pet. Pet. Can you say soccer ball?
Go.
Soccer ball.
Dada. Dada.
Does Dada play soccer? Does Jesse play soccer?
No. Dada.
Daddy plays soccer.
Bye bye. Hi.
Hi.
I did that.
Where did Jessie go?
What?
Way up high.
Did she go way up high?
No.
Did she go to the mall?
No.